The DNA which make mRNA is called what? Reverse transcription. Reverse transcription.
Reverse transcription.
Which way? Chikam ke mumsara. The single stranded RNA genome na mumsara se judegi. Double stranded genome judegi. Nagi ta mumse veri shu. Reverse transcription or the mumse shu. In reverse basi mumsara. Fifth number, the enzyme which is used for the reverse transcription is called reverse transcriptase enzyme. But integrase is used to incorporate the viral DNA to the host DNA. For example, the masar viral DNA shu. Which way? Udanta chikam de dasu ki khpar DNA chikam ala host DNA sir chikam de dasu ki inject. No DNA chikam DNA masara shiri ta muse veli shu proviruses. So de veli shu manga proviruses. Wali to use incorporate mean enter viral DNA chikam the viral DNA le tamasara joda shwa agar inject ki pasaki incorporate ki pasaki the host DNA ki
Host DNA naam se provirus.
chikam process masara jod ki de tamam veri shu proviruses. So what de veri shu manga proviruses which attached on the tail person. For example, tail person de masara dusra dan nucleus de aur dusra dan nasre DNA pasara. So the viral DNA ra shudi host DNA sir chikam results ki incorporates ki with the help of this enzyme. Integrase enzyme is a specific enzyme which is used for the incorporate the viral DNA into the host DNA. It's called integration. And the process is called integration, and the enzyme which is used for the viral DNA into the host DNA is called integrase enzyme. But the third or the last enzyme is called protease enzyme. Chikam protein ma sarjul shi last ki agar protein breakdown kore da para chikam large protein ma sarjul shi into converted into small protein which is called what protease enzyme. Lipase enzyme, carbohydrates. There are some example. Yamu enzyme medu kana classification of oxidoreductase enzyme, isomerase, hydrolase, lyase, ligase. Some enzyme which is used for the different function and different reactions. So while protease enzyme is used to break down the large structure of protein into small protein. This is called protease enzyme function. But the viral capsid is a bullet-like shape. Look at this one. Bullet-like shapes. The chikam da shape the viral capsids the masala se bullet shape the masala. The sabashani bullet se veri shumga.
Gole.
So ishwa other lentiviruses yad sate lentiviruses are those viruses which belong to the class of retroviruses. Kam taluk kar sadi retroviruses. Some sazbari book ke chikam de some viruses abbreviation mention kari di usar koli dagar du meri kare di SIV viruses, semen immunodeficiency viruses, feline immunodeficiency viruses, Wisna chronic pneumonitis viruses, and CAEV, Caprine mortamum virus, Sabrina mortamum virus, arthritis viruses to infect the goat. Yad satai SIV viruses chekam de 10 infected kai monkey. Yes. FIV chikam the viruses they mansara cat infected cats. And but Wisna is called chronic pneumonitis and brains encephalitis बीमारी mansara kas ke mansara encephalitis disease. So brain and other one is called infected lungs. Which way? And CAEV our virus is called saccharine arthritis viruses to infect the goat. Goat को भेजने का so you say ताऊ तो दगाव पे जिकम कम दगावान ना second disease मुंसर जिकम दे सके infected के ये कम animal वाले मुंसर disease transfer के. Second one structure अभी चाहिए दराजू तभी दपा समाज दरा दपा सबारा जिकम दे glycoprotein receptor लेगी दे और ताऊ तो तमाम मख्य खबर हो गया कि glycoprotein receptor से कार दे. The glycoprotein receptor da car chida ba the bacterial cell da pass ya the T lymphocyte ya the T percent of ya the macrophage surface mane ba HK ya the receptor sara. So ishwa aw da glycoprotein chikam de protein 1 da ba se ke fusion ba kai. Yes. So ishwa dum number process chikam de mang sara lekin dan nama sara viral capsid de aw da viral capsid ma sara sura jode the P24 protein nama sara jode او دې ته موږ ویل شي کیپسومر زو ولې چې دا ما سره جوړ له کیپسټ دی دا ما سره کیپسټ دی او جوړ له کیپسومر نه دی ما سره small unit نه جوړ دی او کیپسومر further are another small unit called what proteomers so پدې کې دا ما سره single stranded RNA پروت دی چې موږ د بیکټیریا پیج وایو هغه سره څو double stranded DNA پراته or three enzyme which is required by the different functions. Reverse transcriptase enzyme which converts the viral RNA into the viral DNA and reverse integrase will incorporate the viral DNA into the host DNA. And protease enzyme which is used for the breakdown of a large structure protein into small one. And another one is called protein matrix. Protein matrix are formed by the P17. How many protein are found? P17. So you show. And the third one is called spikes. This is called spikes. And second one is called viral core RNA. And reverse transcriptase enzyme. And this is called viral capsid. Life cycle taraju. So taraju manga life cycle taraju. So what is the life cycle of HIV? Time is over. This. Okay, sabab inshallah jikam dia mga sawayo life cycle of HIV and structure of blue viruses.